The sky has never looked this strange. NASA has just reported something called 3I Atlas, and the world is holding its breath. This object came from deep space, moving in a way no one expected. Today, you will hear what NASA is not saying out loud, and why scientists look worried and excited at the same time. Many people think space is quiet and empty, but that is not true anymore. 3. The first atlas is now one of the most shocking objects ever seen. It is fast, bright, and mysterious. Some experts even call it the messenger from the dark. In this video, you will understand why. NASA first picked up 3I Atlas with their powerful sky survey systems. When they checked the data, the numbers made no sense. The speed was too high. The path was too strange. It looked like it did not belong to our solar system. This was a rare moment when NASA said, "We need to look again." Soon, scientists realized this was not just another asteroid. This was something bigger, something older, something that came from far beyond the planets we know. People around the world started asking one question: what is 3I Atlas really? Some believe it could be a piece of a broken world from another star system. Others say it might be a frozen traveler wandering for millions of years. A few even whisper that it could be a sign of intelligent life. NASA does not agree with that theory, but they also cannot explain everything. As 3I Atlas moves closer, telescopes capture more details. Its surface looks rough. Its shape is strange. It reflects light in patterns scientists have never seen. Every new photo brings more questions instead of answers. This is why the whole astronomy world is watching. NASA released a new report saying the object is active. That single word shocked experts. Active means it is doing something, releasing dust, gas, or energy, just like a comet, but not exactly like a normal comet. Something unusual is happening inside it. The object is spinning, but not in a simple way. Twists and turns like it is unstable. This type of motion is rare for objects that travel from other star systems. Some scientists say it looks like 3I Atlas survived something violent, maybe a collision or explosion long ago. People online started calling it the ghost traveler. Videos, photos, and theories went viral in hours. Everyone wants to know if NASA's hiding something. Why did they release the report so fast? Why did they use mysterious words? Why now? One thing is clear: 3I Atlas is unlike anything NASA has seen in years. This is only the beginning. Many experts say this object could change our understanding of space, time, and the history of our galaxy. The mystery is growing, and the next update from NASA may be even more shocking. As more data comes in, NASA begins to map the exact path of 3I Atlas. The results surprise everyone. It is not moving in a random way. It follows a smooth, clean path that looks almost too perfect. Some scientists say this path could reveal where the object came from. The answer might be from a star system we have never studied before. The most shocking part is that 3I Atlas is slowing down just a little, but enough to confuse experts. Objects from deep space almost never slow down unless something affects them. Is it sunlight? Is it gas release? Or something else? NASA has no clear answer yet. Telescopes around the world are now pointed at one thing: this strange visitor. Every observatory wants to be the first to spot a hidden detail. Some report flashes of light around the object, like tiny bursts of energy. These flashes happen at random and no one knows why. A new NASA update says the object is changing brightness rapidly. In simple words, it shines bright, then dim, then bright again. This is not normal. Even comets do not act like this. Something unusual is reflecting light from its surface or inside it. People on social media start posting their own theories. Some call it a deep space machine. Others say it is a broken alien probe. Many think it is just ice breaking off the surface. NASA says these ideas are not proven, but they admit the behavior is strange. Scientists studying 3I Atlas say its color is also different. It has a blue-green tone that is extremely rare among space rocks. This color means the object might be made of materials we almost never see in our solar system. Some of the elements inside it could be older than our sun. One big mystery is its size. At first, NASA thought it was small, but new data shows it may be much larger than expected, maybe hundreds of meters long. If true, this makes 3I Atlas one of the biggest interstellar objects ever detected passing near us. Another shock comes when researchers test its rotation speed. As the object spins fast, then slows, then spins again. It changes speed like something is pushing or pulling it. But there is nothing out there, no gravity, no force, nothing that should do this. Some experts think the object may be hollow or partly hollow. If that is true, it could explain the weird movement and light changes. But a hollow object traveling through space is extremely rare. It could mean this object had a violent past, maybe being ripped apart and then frozen again. NASA now warns that the next few days are important. As 3I Atlas moves closer to Earth's part of the sky, their instruments can collect better images and readings. What they discover could answer major questions or create even bigger mysteries. Some scientists fear that 3I Atlas may break apart as it gets closer. Objects from other star systems often carry cracks and weak points. If it breaks, pieces could spread across space like glowing dust. NASA is preparing for that possibility, watching every movement carefully. But others think the opposite might happen. They believe 3I Atlas could become even more active, releasing more gas and light. If that happens, it will shine brighter, making it easier to study. Some telescopes might even catch its inner layers for the first time. The most exciting idea is that this object may carry secrets about how worlds form around other stars. If 3I Atlas came from a very old system, its materials could be older than any rocks on Earth. This could help scientists learn what the universe looked like billions of years ago. NASA teams are working day and night, comparing old sky maps to see if any earlier signals were missed. Some think Atlas may have passed near our solar system before. If true, that would change everything, because it means this object follows a longer path that returns again and again. Meanwhile, new computer models suggest that 3I Atlas might be spinning itself into a new shape. Some parts look like they stretch out, while others shrink. This is called non-rigged rotation, and it happens only in very unstable objects. It means 3I Atlas is not comet, is changing. A new rumor spreads online saying NASA spotted a strange pattern on the surface, like a line or a ridge. NASA has not confirmed this, but many people think it could be a natural crack. Others think it might be a sign of something hidden inside. The mystery grows every day. As the world waits, more countries join the study. Europe, Japan, China, and even private observatories are now tracking the visitor. It has become a global event, something humanity is watching together. Everyone wants to be part of the discovery. NASA says 3I Atlas will soon pass at its closest visible point. They expect the best images to come at that moment. These images could show details we have never seen on an interstellar object. They may confirm if it is a comet, an asteroid, a fragment, or something completely new. One thing is sure, 3I Atlas has changed how we look at the sky. It reminds us that our solar system is not alone. There are travelers out there, old, cold, mysterious, moving silently between the stars, carrying secrets of ancient galaxies. And as NASA prepares its next public update, the world is watching closely. Whatever they reveal could shock science, challenge old ideas, and open a new chapter in the story of space. The mystery of 3I Atlas is only beginning, and we are witnessing it in real time.